On this episode of TileTV, we're going to get into glass adhesives and what makes them so special. My name is Swan. I'm a technical trainer for the NTCA, and one of the most frequently asked questions that I get as a technical trainer is, do glass tile installations require a special thin set? The answer is yes. Glass installations require a high-performance white thin set with an ANSI standard of 118.4 or greater. Now, glass tiles have a wide range of opacity, so therefore a white thin set with a very consistent coloring is going to be required. Otherwise, you're going to see right through that tile and it's going to look terribly blotchy and inconsistent. Since glass tiles have a smooth surface, a low aggregate or aggregate-free thin set is going to be your best bet. This will help you to lower your chances of damaging your tile or scratching it during your installation. A glass tile is also subject to a lot more movement due to expansion and contraction. You're going to want to go for a thin set that has a very minimum shrinkage during its curing process. Otherwise, a thin set that has a rapid rate of shrinkage is going to go ahead and grab onto that tile and possibly crack it. Don't forget your proper installation techniques. Not only do you need to have a proper coverage and a minimum bond strength for glass tile, a poor glass installation is always going to show. You can find all of these requirements for glass adhesives in our ANSI 118 book and our standards for installing glass tile in our ANSI 137.2 book. Don't forget to go ahead and check out the NTCA's reference manual. This is our cause, cure, and prevention book for all things tile. Thanks for joining us today. My name is Swan, signing off.